Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to show you a video on how to access your ESL Reading Smart content from Edmentum courseware. I'm also going to show you how to preview the content in courseware so that you're able to better see the activities that ESL Reading Smart has, and then you can make a decision on which activities you'd like to assign to your classes and students. And I'm also going to show you how to create your class in Flex assignments in Edmentum courseware. All right, so let's get started. Here I am on a teacher's ClassLink desktop dashboard, and I'm going to look for the Edmentum courseware tile, which is the lowercase e, and that's the logo. So that's the one that you're looking for. Most likely you'll find it next to Study Island. Clicking on that, it's going to automatically land you into Edmentum because we are rostering this program with PowerSchool. It will automatically identify you as a Union City educator because you do have an account in PowerSchool. All right, so once you're in, you will be on Edmentum's Sensei Page, which is a page that gives you some information about your students' progress. But since you're not up to that point yet, you probably won't have any information here. So the next place you're going to want to go to is up to your menu bar here at the top over towards the left. You're looking for the Flex Assignments, which is the third menu option from the left. Clicking on that will bring you into the Flex Assignments page in Edmentum. Okay, so from here, the first thing that you're going to need to do is actually create your Flex classes. And you'll do that using your ESL course or the course that has already been synced in Edmentum from PowerSchool with the students that you'll be using ESL Reading Smart with. All right, so to create your class, we are looking on the right-hand side of your screen here in the blue banner. You'll see a Create Flex Class button. Clicking on that, it will open up a new window for you. So what you're going to do here is fill in some information. So the first thing that you're going to have to fill in here is your class name. So titling it, most likely the best way to identify it is by the course and then by your room number. I think she is 314. I'm not sure, but let me check. So if you are unsure of your room number for your ESL class, which you should know, but just in case, what you're going to do is you're going to have to come under the students header here and scroll down here to where it says classes and click on this class drop down menu. You're going to need to choose your ESL class that you're actually naming this class because this is where your students will be pulled from. So this is her ESL for section 314 class. So I put ESL 314 up here so it matches. I'm going to click on that and you'll see all of her students are here. And I'm going to click Add All Students. So now all those students will be added to this class name. Now I'm coming down and I'm going to click Create Flex Class. Okay, so once you're finished creating your Flex class, and you could do this if you teach multiple sections of ESL, you have to do create a Flex class for each section. So once you're finished, now you're going to come into where it says New Assignment. So I'm just going to take you on a little tour here of how to preview the ESL Reading Smart activities. I'm going to create a few other videos, one of which is going to show you how to assign an assignment to your students. And another one will show you more of an in-depth look at the actual content within each activity in ESL Reading Smart because there's a lot of content that you might not realize is there. So because of this new platform. So I'm going to show you that in another video. All right. So right now we're not creating an assignment. Right now we're just looking to preview the content of ESL Reading Smart. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page because that's where I'm able, if I was going to add an assignment, I would have to select the content from here. But right now, I just want to look at the content. So to find my ESL Reading Smart content, I'm going to click on any under the subject, and that's going to give me a drop-down menu. And I'm going to choose English as a second language as the subject because right now I'm trying to find my ESL Reading Smart content. Okay, so once I'm here, you'll see you have both levels, level 1 and newcomer, under the Plato courses. But if you clicked under custom courses, that's where you'll see both of those courses together in one area. So it's up to you. You can just look under Plato courses and look under each one separately. Or if you want to, in custom course, you can see both levels in one space. Okay, so from here, if you notice that you'll see a little view button with an arrow. So this is what is going to allow you to view the content. So clicking on the view button is going to open up the content in a way that you're in a view actually that your students will see. So what you're looking at is exactly what your students will see. So that will probably help you make a more informed decision. Also notice on the left side of each one of these folders, there is a drop-down arrow. So clicking on any drop-down arrow will further move you within the program. And you'll see that as you get down to the bottom layer of the program, that's where you'll see the view buttons again. So you're able to look at the tutorial and then you're able to look at the mastery test. So this is going to help you when you need to decide what actual activities you would like to assign your students from the ESL Reading Smart course. All right, so this video has been about accessing your Edmentum account, going into the Flex assignments, creating your class and Flex assignments, and then previewing your ESL Reading Smart content for informed decision making on assignments. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Have a great day.